Today, we're diving into a project that's long overdue. A complete makeover of my office space. Lately, I found myself working everywhere but here. And it's time for a change. Oh no!
As you can see, it's become a bit of a chaotic space and there's a real need for change. Over the past few months, I've been juggling a hectic schedule with constant travel and an increasing overload. What I've noticed is that I've been avoiding my office, opting to work on the kitchen table instead. It's become clear that the clutter in this room has been affecting my ability to think and work efficiently. So today's the day. I'm packing up everything that's not being used and heading to the storage unit. Alright, here's the game plan. Step 1. We're going to turn this place into a blank canvas. Grab everything and haul it to the living room. We're talking about a complete evacuation. Picture this. I want to be able to dance in here without tripping over stuff, so everything's got a one-way ticket to the living room, at least for now. As we start the grand migration, you can almost hear the room sigh in relief. No more being suffocated by random stuff. Once it's all in the living room, we'll figure out the next move. Easy peasy, right? Let's get this party started. Living room, here we come. Step 2. Alright, let's tackle the shoe mess. I started by picking up each pair, reminiscing about the memories attached to them. You know, the scuffed ones from the concert, the super comfy ones that have seen way too many lazy Sundays. Dust was the enemy here. Shelves and shoes, they all needed a good dusting. I wiped away the layers of neglect, thinking this was like a therapy, but for my room. Then came the moment of truth, facing the fact that not every shoe was really being useful in my daily life. Some were just gathering dust, literally. It was time for them to retire. But I didn't want them to retire to the back of my closet graveyard. Nah, these shoes deserve a second chance. So I thought, why not send them to my family in the Philippines? Seemed like a win-win. Packing them up felt like sending old pals on a new adventure. I could almost picture my family rocking those shoes in places I've never been to. It was like passing on a piece of my journey to them. Step 3. Closet Chronicles. Okay. So, my closet? Totally chaos. It's supposed to be my happy place, but it's more like a storage war zone. Why? Because I can only use half of it. No room in the house for air mattresses, luggage, and the gang of pillows and blankets. Now, let's talk about my clothes. They're all crammed in there. Old stuff, new stuff, who knows when I got this stuff. But here's the thing. My man just opened up a storage recently for his work, and guess what? I'm putting my stuff in there. Sorting through this mess, I find the keepsakes, the clothes with sentimental vibes, the rest going to my fam. See ya, old dresses that haven't seen daylight in ages. Step 4 was a bit tricky, my least favorite in this whole setup adventure. The area was still kind of messy from all the construction chaos. I had this cool idea of turning it into a fancy spot for my clothes and bags, but there was a hitch. Where on earth would I fit in my office desk? After some thinking, I settled for a temporary fix. Now here's the catch. My man wasn't a fan of my old beaten up desk. Fair enough, it had seen better days. So we decided it was time for an upgrade. I had a brilliant idea. Why not get a standing desk? I found this awesome one with adjustable legs, and the best part is, it's supposed to be quiet. No irritating squeaks and noises while I'm working hard. Step 4 might be a bit messy at the moment, but it's all part of the journey to a cooler, upgraded space. To keep things organized, I'm gonna take some valuable items that I don't use regularly to the storage unit. It's a great way to create space and to keep things tidy. This is heavy. Some of these items hold sentimental value in my life. While I'm putting them away for now, they're not forgotten. Now we finally made some room to breathe. I am so happy. Now let's go to IKEA to go pick up a new drawer and add to this chaos. Let's go. Putting together my new furniture is the highlight of revamping my room. My man surprised me with a chair that matches my table, a cool upgrade from the old ones my mother-in-law handed down. Now, those old chairs are my go-to makeup seats for now. You have no idea how happy I am right now. I'm smiling because knowing that this chair comes with another leg space, for someone like me who's Filipino, Asian, I love sitting down with my legs crossed, and that's just something that I do, which is not a good thing, but I do it anyway. Look how happy I am in here. I also snagged a drawer for my closet. It's the best spot for my camera gear, some accessories, and my notebook. The goal? Keep this space clutter-free, focusing strictly on work. Well, half of it's still a storage, but hey, we're getting there. This is the best part of everything. From this whole entire video, I can't believe I have a new table. I remember my old one, I got it from the IKEA sale section and it was only $10. And I really just want to thug it out. I just want to be able to have my own table and just do my work. And I realized after many years of sitting on that table, I realized that I'm not able to move around too much. I can't stand up. So having this new desk is just making me so happy that I can finally just continue to work while I'm standing up, continue to work while I'm sitting down with my beautiful chair. And not only that, it comes with a little drawer so I can put my notebook in there, my SD card, and the fact that you can charge your phone, and there's different levels of how you want your table to be up or if you want it lower. This is pretty amazing. I'm not mad at it. And here we have it, a completely revamped office and sneaker room. The feeling of accomplishment is immense, and I can't wait to see how this space positively influences my productivity and creativity. Thanks for joining me on this journey of transformation. If you've been putting off revamping your own workspace, maybe now is the time to start fresh. Leave your thoughts below and don't forget to check out the description down below for all of my links. Here's to a more focused and productive new year.